Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to disable location detection in Snapchat. Let's get straight to the point. To disable location services, go to Settings. Next, scroll down, find Snapchat and open it. Under the location section, you will see the location settings. You can see options like Allow or while using the app. Select Don't Allow to disable location sharing. If for some reason this doesn't work, first make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store and search Snapchat. If you see an update button, update the app and try again. Also, try restarting your phone. This may solve minor issues. If the problem persists, go to Settings, General, next iPhone Storage, wait a bit for everything to load and find Snapchat. Open it and tap Offload app. This will uninstall the app with data saved. Then reinstall it. After that, try disabling location again. If nothing helps, you can contact Snapchat support for personalized help by going to the Snapchat support website. Contact them and explain your situation, and they will likely provide specific recommendations. Don't forget to give this video a like if it was helpful to you, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.